Hopefully there's no reflection. Let's see if I can remember any of this. I see the city. I see the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Sydney Opera House?
Yes.
Sydney Tower? Anzac Bridge?
Yeah, we're going to...
Ferry?
no, that's too far away.
And I'll interrupt that film by making me go in the middle.
And there's the Iron Coast Bridge. And there's our house. And there, Terry Street.
There's the tower!
And there's the Anzac Bridge. Nice, I know. Westfield.
Do you see Luna Park?
Sorry? Oh, this is so nice. Seeing Sydney again. There's Parramatta Road. And there's the city. That's a train down there. I see a Sydney train. Somewhere in the universe. Ah, this is amazing. We're quite low. IKEA is soon coming up. Hungry Jack's. Yep, there's IKEA. Very, very close IKEA. A bus stop. Bus stop B. Available to land. Okay, and there's planes. Planes. Lots of taxiways.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sydney, where the local time is just after 9:15 p.m.
Oh.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it out of flight mode. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened. Today we'll be disembarking using the forward and rear left-hand doors. As some passengers will be disembarking via stairs, please hold onto the handrail and follow any directions given to you by staff for a safe passage into the terminal. A reminder that you must refrain from using your mobile phone whilst on the tarmac, and smoking is strictly prohibited as you disembark and throughout airport buildings.
Fine.
Please take care when opening overhead lockers, as your items may have moved around during the flight. And remember to check your seat pocket for any personal belongings. Avis and Budget are pleased to offer special car rental rates to Jetstar passengers. Simply mention you're a Jetstar customer at the Avis or Budget car rental desk in the terminal to receive your discounted rate. In addition, Qantas frequent flyer members can earn frequent flyer points. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of your captain, Michael Hort, and your entire Sydney-based team, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly Jetstar. It certainly has been our pleasure having you on board, and we do look forward to seeing you next time you choose to fly. Thank you, and good night, Tom.
Next time you choose to fly.